Turkey test-fired the country's longest-range missile for the second time. The Typhoon ballistic missile was test-fired from a mobile launcher near the port city of Rize on the Black Sea. No further details of the test have been revealed. In its previous test, the Roketsan missile struck a target 560 kilometers away on October 18, 2022, reportedly twice the range of any operational Turkish missile. Range to be increased. The developer intends to increase the missile's range up to 1,000 kilometers. A short-range ballistic missile has a range of 300 kilometers to 1,000 kilometers. This is the first Turkish missile non-compliant with the Missile Technology Control Regime, in short MTCR. Before that, Turkey unveiled the Bora-1 ballistic missile in 2017 with a range of 273 kilometers. The Roketsan missile is operational with the Turkish Army. The MTCR compels its signatories not to export drones or missiles with a range over 190 miles and payload exceeding 500 kilograms. Thanks for watching.